This exercise display matrix of 0 to 1 using this method. Again, input is depends on random functions. Let's say number 3 means 3 by 3 matrix. So main method input process output. There will be one input equal to 0. It depends on user input. So scanner input, new scanner system in. Let's import scanner class. Now we need to print a message. System out printed n, enter n. That's going to be n equal to input. Next int. Okay, we need to use these methods, printMatrix. Let's implement these methods. There should be two loop conditions. Let me use for loop. Let's say printMatrix n. Okay, here we want to implement printMatrix. There will be two for loop. The first one I, then there will be j. There will be representation of row and columns. So I equal to 1, okay? Because there's no such thing called 0 by 0 matrix. So let's say start with 1 equals 3, it means 1, 2, 3 rows. Okay? Then again, j should be 1. Let's say equal to n, which is 3, is equal to 3. So it given 3 columns. So ij, j plus plus. And input depends on random numbers between 0 and 1. So random functions, you may need to multiply by 2, so we can get 0 or 1. Not the double values, so we have to say int. So we can get integer values already. Okay, you may need to have one additional space, so you can leave a space between numbers. There should be semicolon. It's okay. So 3 by 3. Okay, there are 9 numbers. We need to have a line break. The first row, new line, and second row, and then last row. So here should be print with 1 space. 3 numbers, then we need a break. That means after I operations, print that and should be enough. Okay, 3 by 3. Then let's try one more. 4. Okay, 4 by 4 matrix. That's all.